my ceiling from back to front, marked 1 through 5, different sections of panels, the ribs, ceiling fan. And then I'll go on to explain what's going on. So I've been working in the van. What I'm going to be doing is installing a headliner. And what I'm going to do is put in some sound deadening material, then thinsulate, then wood paneling, and finally carpeting. What you're looking at here is the blue masking tape that I used to cover over the holes, so when I insert the foam insulation, it won't ooze out those holes. The holes that are still left exposed are going to be filled with rivnuts, which will allow me to bolt the ceiling right to those van bones. Over here you're looking at a couple of the patches that were for sound deadening that came with the van, but I'll be doing a lot more of that with better product. This carpet is what the ceiling will be finished with after I have the insulation and wood panels put up. This has been a hard job for me just because I have a neck injury, and this work really tweaks my neck and shoulders. It took a couple days for me to put the tape up just because I have to keep taking a break, sit down, stretch my neck a certain way, and then continue on. But the tape was easy. I mean, it's lightweight, so there's that. It was just me holding myself up that was a problem. And I also cleaned the ceiling. I just used some isopropyl rubbing alcohol and just used that to clean off any oil and stuff like that. It was a little dirtier than I thought it was going to be. But then it was all ready to move forward with putting in the sound deadening material. And that's what's going to happen next. The sound deadening materials for my van arrived, so I have started the process. But I'm blown away by how much these things make a difference. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Here's a panel without any sound deadening on it. Hear that vibrating? Come to this panel, which I applied the sound deadening material to. Huge difference, my God. I did about 4 days worth of work as far as installing the sound deadening material, and while I was doing that, the rivnuts arrived. The rivnut tool basically works like a giant river setter, but once you have it installed, it is threaded and you can put bolts in there, and that's how I'm going to be mounting my ceiling, cargo net, and a couple other things. Close-up of a rivnut installed, and that's about it. Ooh, we're getting wobbly. There's Maui, just patiently waiting. But anyhow, yeah, that's what I've been doing, working hard at getting the van done. Oh, and breaking dies. That's part of the rivnut tool set, and my brother broke 2 bits and I broke 1. So right now I'm patiently waiting for more of those. I have cut out my insulation, and I cut out all the pieces of carpeting that will go over the ribs once everything is done. So that's it. That's my ceiling job. Woohoo! Thanks for watching this short and sweet episode. Next week we'll be talking more about my ceiling job. Until then, drive hard.